welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Thursday, February the 29th of 2024. It is Leap Day, and I'm coming at you guys with an amazing Dollar General couponing video. I have been loving Dollar General this week, and this weekend is going to be a fun time. We have a clearance event going on where you get an additional 50% off of the clearance items. Going to be some great deals with that. We have some pretty good digital coupons. We're going to be having the 5 off of 25 on Saturday, and I came up with an epic scenario for that you guys are totally going to want to see. Also, we have a laundry deal you can do right now. It's going to be such a great time over here couponing at the Dollar General. I'm so excited to share it with you guys in this video. I will have a printable breakdown in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check that out. Make sure to actually watch the video. That's where the details are. That's what helps me out. But I have that so you don't have to handwrite everything out unless, of course, you want to, which is cool too. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm excited. Let's just dive right in. So at the beginning of the week, we got the Airwick plugins for free at Walmart, but now you can get it for free over here at Dollar General if your store has it in stock. So it's on the Airwick Advanced plugin. It's just the plug-in, not the warmers, refills, or whatever. We're going to have a deal on those in a little bit, so stay tuned. But it is $4 over at Dollar General. We have a $4 off digital coupon right now, so it's literally just going to make it totally free. So, yeah, pretty sweet. So, free Airwick at Dollar General. A super awesome deal here on the Pepsi Wild Cherry. So, Dollar General has a bunch of different pop, soda, and cans, whatever you guys call it, here in this section. Voila. They're $1. There's a rebate on Fetch for 1,000 points back. Now, depending on what gift cards you get out, there isn't a gift card for Dollar General on Fetch, so I can't do the breakdown assuming you get that. But some gift cards on Fetch, 1,000 points is worth $1. Some they're worth 70 cents. It's really going to depend on whatever gift card you get out. But you can get this for free depending on what gift card you get out, or really cheap. So great deal for the pets. So we have a really, really awesome deal you guys can grab right now. This is not for Saturday only. This is a coupon available all week. It is this one where if you buy $15 of Purex, all Persil or Snuggle, you save $5 instantly. And we actually have an excellent deal with this promotion. So we're going to be getting over $15 of laundry products for a little over $6. So it's a good deal, and I'm excited to share it. So let's dive right into this one. You're also going to pick up one of these Snuggle 40 count dryer sheets. There are no digital coupons for this, but this is going to get us over that $15 threshold. So buy one of these. Right, so next up, you are going to buy a Snuggle product. So you can either get the liquid fabric softeners here, you can get the dryer sheets, or you can also get the little scent shake things. These guys are $3.75 this week. We have a digital coupon for $1.25, so you're going to pay $2.50, but this counts towards the spend 15, save 5. So next up, guys, you're going to want to grab one of the Persil laundry detergents for $5.50. That's the sale price this week. We have a digital coupon for $1.50 off, so it's going to make it $4, but that is going to count towards the 15. You are also going to grab one of the Purex pods here, either the 17 count or the 21 count. Dollar General sells these for $4. We have a rebate. You can either do this on Ibotta, or you can clip it to your Dollar General account. Dollar General has a cashback where you can clip it, and it'll just go through Dollar General, and you'll have the money to use on your next purchase or whatever. So you could do it that way. But we have $1 back on this, making it $3, and that does count towards the spend 15, save 5. Right, so let's go ahead and break down this deal here again. So you need to buy one of the Purex pods for $4. We have that $1 rebate either on Ibotta or DG Cashback. Then you're going to buy a Snuggle fabric softener for $3.75. You're going to use the $1.25 digital, making this $2.50. You're going to buy one of the Snuggle dryer sheets for $2, no coupon for that. And you're going to buy the Persil for $5.50 and use the $1.50 digital. That's going to get you above that threshold. It's actually $15.25, but the total after manufacturer coupons is $12.50. Then we have that 5 off of 15 laundry product coupon that's going to come off, making it $7.50 for all 4 products. But don't forget, you get the $1 Dollar General cash back, so it makes it $6.50 for all this, or $1.63 each, which is a great price. So next up here, we're going to be talking about the 5 off of 25 coupon at Dollar General. I have a really good scenario. You're going to get $25, over $25 worth of products. It's actually $28 worth of products. You're going to get it for under $5, which is an awesome deal. Some really great stuff. So I'm excited for this. Now remember, with the 5 off of 25, this has to be 25 before your manufacturer coupons. So you can bring it down lower than that after your manufacturer coupons, which is the key with DG, to bring your total down as low as you can. But the items, it has to be $25 before your coupons. So anyways, we have some great deals. This can only be done on Saturday. It's a Saturday only coupon, but I want to get you guys prepared for it because it's such a great deal. So first up, you're actually going to grab a Bic Soleil razor. This Dollar General is all out of them, so I'm going to have a picture on the screen. It's $5.50. We have a $4 digital coupon, so it's $1.50, but $5.50 counts towards the 5 off 25. We are going to wrap an Airwick Advanced Warmer that I talked about earlier. That's free. It's $4. We have that $4 digital, just making it totally free. So next up for the scenario, we are going to buy one of the Febreze Unstoppable sprays, the fabric refresher sprays. These guys are $5 each, regular price. We have a digital coupon right now for $3 off. So after that coupon, it's going to make it $2, but $5 will go towards our 5 off 25. Right, you are also going to grab one of the Airwick Vibrant refills to go along with the plug-in. So this Airwick Vibrant, this is $7. But we have a digital coupon right now for $4 off. I love how this Dollar General has tags up for all these things. That makes it really easy. So $4 off with that coupon, it's going to make it $3. That's $7 towards the 5 off 25. So next for this scenario, you're going to buy 2 of these Febreze sprays. So Dollar General has a bunch of different varieties for $3.25. Now the tag says buy one, get one free, but that's not what the digital coupon is. The digital coupon is actually $3.30 off of 2. So buy 2 at $3.25, use that digital. You're going to pay $3.20 for both or $1.60 each. But again, that counts towards the 5 off 25. It's going to make all this way cheaper. Right, so quick little recap here. You're going to buy the Bic Razor for $5.50. You're going to use that $4 off digital, making it $1.50. You're then going to buy the Airwick Advanced Warmer for $4. You're going to use the $4 digital, which makes it free. You're going to buy the Airwick Vibrant Refill for $7. You're going to use the $4 digital, making it $3. You're going to buy 2 of the Febreze Air Refresher Sprays for $3.25. Use that $3.30 off of 2 digital, making it $3.20 for both. And then you're going to buy the Febreze Touch Fabric Refresher Spray for $5 and use the $3 digital, making it $2. Subtotal's $28, but the total after manufacturer coupons is $9.70. But remember, guys, you get the 5 off 25. So it's going to end up making it $4.70 for all of them, or 78 cents a piece. What a deal. Awesome price for these products. So starting tomorrow, Dollar General is doing a clearance event where anything that's on clearance, you get an additional 50% off of that. We have some crazy awesome deals with the clearance event, and I'm super excited. So I'm going to show you some pretty good matchups that we have going with this. So these Purina Dental Life dog treats are actually going to be free with our clearance event. So these are on clearance for $4.95, but starting on Friday, they're going to be 50% off. So $2.47. You either do this deal on Ibotta or Dollar General cashback, but we have $2.50 back for these. So that's going to make it totally free plus a 3-cent moneymaker. So awesome deal for the dog treats. So another item to be sure to keep your eyes peeled for are the Febreze sprays. There are select Febreze sprays that are marked down to $1.80, down from the clearance price of $3.60. We have a digital coupon for $3.30 off of 2 Febreze, so it ended up making it 30 cents for both, or 15 cents a piece, which is amazing. So the lemon scented Head and Shoulders there, it is on clearance for $2.92 with the clearance event. We have a $2 digital coupon, so you just pay 92 cents for that, which is pretty great. And then this one is amazing if you can find it at your store. It's on the Pearl Milling Pancake Mix. This is on clearance for $2.30, but the half off will make it $1.15. We have a digital coupon for $2 off of 2 select Pearl Milling products. So we literally make these 30 cents for both, or 15 cents a piece. Phenomenal deal if you can find that at your store. So awesome deal. A really good deal here on this Nerf, the Nerf Alpha Strike Slinger 51. This is going to be half off, so it's $4.50, but you get half off, so $2.25. Also have some crafting items here, like these little foam stickers, foam stars. They have these like little gem things. These are 90 cents, so half off would be 45 cents. Also, they have some good deals on these car air fresheners. So these guys are 90 cents on clearance. Not all of them, just double check. But half off would make them 45 cents. All right, so we have a really nice deal here on this Suave Dry Shampoo. So the Suave Dry Shampoo, this is $4.05 on clearance, but with the additional 50% off, it's going to be $2.03. There's an instant savings on Suave products since you get $2 off when you buy 2. So it's actually going to end up making these like $1.03 each, which for dry shampoo is pretty good because I'm at Walmart recently. This stuff's like, not the specific brand, but the dry shampoos are like almost $8. So really good deal for that Suave. If you guys are out at Dollar General, make sure to check for the Valentine's items if your store has them left. They are 90% off, but during the clearance event, they will be an additional 50% off. So you will literally get 50% off of the 90% off. So like these street bags or whatever, these are 30 cents. But with the additional 50% off, they'll be 15 cents. And same with these, like, whatever these are, little clip things, little gift bags. The Valentine's, these would literally be 5 cents. So, I mean, guys, there's going to be some great deals at Dollar General. Already great with a 90% off, but an additional 50% off, even better. So keep your eyes peeled for that. All right, guys, this is all that I have for this Dollar General deals video. It is going to be amazing. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys this upcoming few days here at Dollar General. I mean, you can actually come today and do some of the deals. But that 5 off 25 is epic. The clearance event is going to be awesome. I'm so excited about the clearance event. Just some great deals at the DG. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you all did enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.